Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, which will be in the left lower corner. And before we will be able to actually activate the automatic system updates, we will have to activate a special feature, a special mode, which is called developer options. To do that, we have to enter to About Tablet, enter About Tablet, find the build number and keep tapping on it until we will have this information that we are a developer. Now we can go back to the system and updates and enter the developer options. Right here, actually in this first section, we've got the automatic system updates. So this is the option we're looking for. All we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, of course, your device is allowed to install the updates, but it will install it when it will be restarted. So you don't really have to remember about updating your device manually, but remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.